Hello, for my Mission 2 Google Classroom activity, I will just be showing you exactly what I did. So I went into my Google Classroom, I went to my course, the Teddy Bear Club. I then created my announcement first. So to create my announcement, I just went to share something with your class. I just clicked on that. And here, I just created the announcement within this box. I just wrote down everything that I needed to or wanted to in my announcement. And then I just went ahead and I posted it. I just clicked post because it does give you options, I noticed. So like in here, I noticed that you could save it as a draft. You can schedule it for a different time to post, or you can post it now. I just posted it right away. Then when I was finished with my announcement, I went ahead and I created the discussion assignment that I needed to create. So I went into classwork. I said create. I did the question so it would bring off a discussion type thing, so then the students can respond to each other and they can respond to the question. Into question, I typed in my question that I wanted the students to answer in this box here, and then I went into this box where it says instructions, and I typed out instructions on exactly what I wanted from the discussion and what needed to be answered. Just a clearer way to show students on what is expected of the assignment. I then went over here and I changed the points to 25, and then I didn't put a due date or a topic, but I did make sure that this checkbox was clicked so the students could reply to each other. Then after I created the discussion, so here's the discussion here, I then went into this, I went to question, and I went ahead and responded, giving the students an example, again, of what exactly I wanted from the discussion from them. So I just clicked on add class comment. I typed in my example, basically just describing myself and to the students as well, so then they know who I am. And then when I finished with mine, I just went ahead and just posted it by clicking on that thing right there. And that's all I did for this assignment. Thank you.